guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, in my last video we talked about the different ways of making money through your blog. One of those ways is by being an Amazon affiliate. And as per if you didn't watch that particular video, it will appear up here. Please make sure you go watch it before you come back. So as the title of the video indicates, I'm going to share with you how to, or rather I'm going to show you just how much I have made for 3 months on my blog through Amazon. So now if you don't know, you can sell other people's products on Amazon and then earn a commission from it. Depending on your niche, the particular niche that you are in, you'll earn a commission when someone clicks on your link that is on your blog or on your website, and then they go straight to buy something on Amazon. It doesn't matter if they reach there and they decide to buy something else that you're not promoting. As long as they have come from your blog or your website, you will earn a commission. Right now, I think baby toys, fashion, those are the ones those are the niches that have the highest commissions. But of course, you don't need to go for the highest commission just because of the money. You need to definitely choose a niche that you're comfortable doing for the longest time, because now this is something that you should know that you will be doing for a very long time. So before I show you my earnings, of course, I'm going to show you how that happens, how the earnings happen on from your website to Amazon. So just give me a minute so that I can open my blog. And by the way, guys, I think I shared with you that my blog, the one that I started in 2019, the one I had given up on. I hope you remember, the one in the pregnancy and babies niche. I have that one, and I also have another one in the home improvement niche. I have been planning for a very long time to start another one in within home improvement, but now the kitchen side. Now you can home improvement, the home contains many areas. You don't have to do home as a whole. If that is your interest, you can choose the kitchen, you can choose the bathroom, you can choose the living room, you can choose outside the patio, is it patio or okay, wherever, the outside. So whatever your passion is, you can choose an area in your home and then start a blog about. I hope I am clear on that. So I'm just going to show you. Let me look for a link in my website where I can show you how that happens. So guys, now we are on my website right now. So I am writing content about the top 5 floor mounted back outlet toilets. So one of the products is this Swiss Madison, this product here. Okay. So now what happens is that when I am writing this link here, this link points to Amazon. So when someone comes and clicks like this, it will go straight to Amazon so that they can be able to buy. Yeah. And I've done what? Mm-hmm. So I have linked my website with Amazon. Of course, you can go and do that by going to amazonaffiliateassociates.com. So now I have linked mine with Amazon. So when it goes directly to Amazon from my website, it goes with my link. When someone buys this toilet, okay, or even decides to go and search for something else, like baby socks. Even if they decide to buy baby socks, as long as they came initially from my website, I'll be able to earn commission for these baby socks. Okay, so let's go back. So when you are writing your content, if you are reviewing particular things like these toilets, you have to put the Amazon link at strategic places so that the customer, the person who will be browsing, will be able to see it, like this one. And also down here, you see check price on Amazon. So when they click this link, they go directly to Amazon using your link. So that is how you are able to earn from Amazon. So now, after that, now I am going to show you what I have been earning with this website in the last 3 months. That is January, February, and March. April hasn't paid yet. I have already downloaded the same, so I'm just going to show you directly. So this is the month of January. I hope you can see it well. This is January. Shipped items were 501. So every time someone buys something through your website, it will come and register on your Amazon Associates account. And then now they will calculate the percentage, of course, depending on the niche that you are in, and then they will give you your earnings. So this is the total earnings for January, $569.40. So of course I am in Kenya. If you want me to convert it to you, that is around 56,000 or 57,000 Kenya shillings. So that is for January. Then let's go to February. February, 481 items were bought. So this is the revenue. This is the revenue for the total items. This is what Amazon got. And then this is what they paid me for the commission, as the commission. $577.84 were my total earnings for February. That is around 58,000 Kenya shillings. So that is in February. And then lastly, in March, total shipped items were 784. And what Amazon got was $32,043. And what they paid me was $926.40. That is dollars. That was my commission. That is in Kenya shillings, that is around 93,000 Kenya shillings. So that's it. I should say this when I am now facing Okusido. So that's it for my earnings for the last 3 months, guys. I don't know if you are out there, you have been wanting to start a blog, writing is your passion or what, but I'm just sharing this so that I can encourage you to take that step and start a blog today. The good thing about blogging is that this is passive income. You will earn for as long as possible. If you write, for example, this review about toilets, it doesn't mean that if you have earned with it once, that's it. You keep earning with it even 1 year or 2 years, or I don't know how many years to come from now. So this is a good source of passive income. You can do it even with your 8 to 5, or you can do it as you do something else. Yes, that's it. I hope I have motivated someone. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, okay? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. If what I'm sharing about online work, about the different ways of earning money online, if that is something that interests you, please join the family by clicking the red button, subscribe to the channel, and click the post notification button so that you don't miss my next uploads. So thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.